welcome back to Sunday Live Show. And thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Gomora from the 24th to the 28th of October 2022 on Monday. MaMbhele's car mystery continues. Teddy is very awkward around Chiamo, who looks very fly for work today. Sonto has found a new home for MaMbhele on Tuesday. Zibugo almost shoots an innocent, insane woman. Tiny promises to take Sizwe but in a dead condition. Chiamo and Teddy play cat and mouse on Wednesday. Mazette learned something shocking about MaMbhele. Teddy tried to get the Molefes back in the text business. Teddy digs about Chiamo's dating life on Thursday. MaMbhele insists that Sonto is lying and Lulama can attest to this. Teddy and Chiamo skate around their feelings, delaying what seems to be the inevitable. Mr. Fago has left a bucket load of work that Miss Lungwani must pick up on Friday. Zibugo and Mazette talk about finding the whole story behind MaMbhele. Nkosinathi scold Nyaleng and Pretty for soliciting learners during exams. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.